Cincinnati's certified most accurate forecast.
Strong winds tomorrow are going to blow in some very un-April-like temperatures here as we head into the weekend. Matter of fact, those winds will be strong enough tomorrow afternoon and evening that we probably will have some spotty power outages. So you may want to go ahead and grab a few candles for tomorrow evening. Now, on the heels of those strong winds will come freezing temperatures tomorrow night. I'll show you the freeze advisory, which will likely be upgraded to a warning tomorrow. And then, of course, I have your opening day forecast when another cold front will be coming through and will likely bring us more freezing temperatures Monday night. So here's a look at winds out there. You know, we had some gusty winds today, occasional gust over 30, but that's nothing compared to what's coming tomorrow. Our winds right now fairly light outside. Here's the wind advisory that's in effect for the entire WLWT viewing area. And here's the reason why we're concerned about the winds tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. It will be a brisk start to your Saturday, although the winds won't be terribly strong. We'll probably have some gusts close to 20 to begin close to sunrise tomorrow morning. But once the sun comes up, those winds will really begin to crank up. And by mid-afternoon, we're talking 2, 3 o'clock, we will likely already have wind gusts close to 40, if not exceeding 40 miles an hour. And then as we head into the 5, 6 o'clock time frame into tomorrow evening, expect widespread wind gusts close to 50 miles an hour. See Hillsborough, Wilmington, Mason, even Oxford, Harrison. So again, winds strong enough to bring down some trees and power lines until they begin to subside later Saturday evening. But even Saturday night, it's still going to be blustery and at this point turning very cold out tomorrow night. So here's a look at that freeze watch, likely to be upgraded to a freeze warning. All that, and it's a quiet night outside tonight right now. Right now, we're in the upper 40s. We've got that west wind at 9 at this time. Most areas are in the mid 40s, close to 50 still at this hour. Temperatures range from about 45 Brookville, Batesville to 50 in Dry Ridge, still holding on to 53 in Maysville. So temperatures will fall about another 7 to 10 degrees overnight tonight. Here's the cold front that will drive its way through the Ohio Valley tomorrow, packing a punch with wind and maybe even a few sprinkles tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Shouldn't amount to much. There's already a few sprinkles across central parts of Indiana, but the air is very dry, so I think those will fall apart tonight. So you'll start today with sunshine. Tomorrow, clouds will gradually increase, especially after lunchtime. Here comes the threat for those sprinkles. Again, I think this is a little overdone, so there's a narrow window late tomorrow afternoon through early Saturday evening, call it 6, 7 there. You can see here on radar that there may be a passing sprinkle. It should be brief and light. The big talker, though, will be those winds tomorrow evening as they really blow in some cold weather. And talk about changeable conditions. Same story for opening day. Maybe dry and mild for the parade itself, but it looks like a cold front will push across the area Monday afternoon and change the game up a little bit. Maybe a few showers by the time we get the game started a little bit after 4. And yes, chilly breezes indeed. That high near 60, that's early afternoon. By the time the game gets going, and certainly by the time it's finished, temperatures will be tumbling back to the low 40s. So 40 for a low tonight here in the city, partly cloudy and cool. And then tomorrow, remember, strong winds during the afternoon and evening, becoming cloudy, and we'll have the spotty shower threat. Look for a high of only 52. Here's your day planner. 41 at 8 a.m. and then those winds begin to ramp up late morning through the afternoon into the evening hours. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We drop down into the upper 20s and low 30s tomorrow night for a freeze. Sunday will be a cool day, but with plenty of sunshine. There's a look at your opening day forecast, and look at Monday night. Down into the upper 20s for lows. So a very chilly start to April after a couple of days of mild weather.
All right. Speaking of opening day there.